Welcome to the How-To video series by Massey Ferguson. In this video, we will explore together the use of the automatic power takeoff function of your tractor. Thanks to the automatic power takeoff function, you can automate the activation and deactivation of your power takeoff as soon as you engage the rear lift. To set up this function, access the main menu, then the power takeoff menu. Click on the dedicated logo on the right to access the function settings. Once in the settings, start by setting the high lift stop according to your activity needs. Then set the activation threshold of the power takeoff when lowering the lift. Finally, adjust the deactivation threshold when raising the lift at the end of the field. Now that the function is configured, let's move on to its use. Position yourself on a line in your field. Activate the power takeoff and put the implement on the ground. Press the Auto Power Takeoff button on the armrest or your right console. When the indicator light comes on, the function is activated. When you reach the end of your line, simply raise the lift to automatically deactivate the power takeoff at the set threshold. Once you have completed your turn back, place the implement on the ground and observe the power takeoff activating as soon as the lift crosses the set threshold. You are now ready to fully enjoy this feature in the field. Now it's your turn.